Hello, Steve again from the Car Key Man. Today we've got a Nissan key. It's from a Nissan Qashqai or a Juke, I'm not quite sure which one, but it's used on both. And we just want to talk about a small problem that we're seeing with the keys on the end of the loops. So the key loop, normally you'd obviously have your key on it, wouldn't you? It's to put your door key on or whatever. But they're not very strong. And if we take the blade out, you'll see why. Okay, so this is the blade, this is the emergency blade, and it fits your door lock in an emergency. This part here is the bit that's breaking. Now off this car, this customer must have had some heavy keys because that's one of us, and this is the other one, and that one there is snapped clean off as well. Okay, and what it means is that what we're seeing is these keys getting lost because they're held separately in the handbag or your pocket, and they're not with a bunch of keys. So you don't need a whole new key. You do need something that's going to fix this if you want to be able to hang your keys off here. If you order one from Nissan, it's probably going to be about 70, 80, 90 pounds. So if you've got the problem with this breaking off, you don't need to order one of these from Nissan. You can now get hold of an aftermarket one. So these are not from Nissan. They look slightly differently. This is metal. It looks nice actually. And it will come uncut. And these you can hang your keys on, no problem at all. And they will slide into your key. Just like that. Just like you have done before. Then you just need to, obviously, if you want to, you need to get your key blade cut. Okay, so you need to get that cut from that. Most locksmiths should, I would have thought, would be able to cut that for you. And that is a simple way to cure your problem. You can get these keys from either eBay or Amazon, or we'll put a link up for you that you can order them from us. And that is your problem sorted out. So with a Nissan proximity key that now has a loop that works, you are good to go.